Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. DaCosta. I hope everybody's doing well. Happy Friday. I wanted to come on here to talk a little bit about what our writing assignment looks like for today. So we are moving right along with our literary essay, and you've all been doing a great job so far. So we are currently on step 2 of writing our literary essay. And I hope some of you remember this because this is our anchor chart from school. This is the one that we had up on our easel when we started learning about a literary essay. So let's just go through the anchor chart really quick. We're just going to go through, we'll go through all the steps. We'll go through 1, 2, and 3. So it says how to write a literary essay. Pay attention to the main characters in your text, their traits, their struggles, motivations, changes, and relationships. Well, we've done that already, right? We looked at dog, we looked at magpie, and we looked at fox. And a lot of you did a great job saying a lot of their traits. A lot of you were saying fox is mischievous. A lot of you were saying magpie is ungrateful. A lot of you were saying dog is kind and caring. That's excellent, okay? So we did that. We paid attention to the main characters in our text. We are now ready to move on to step 2. So let's see what step 2 looks like. It says, find a big idea you feel strongly about. Write a clear thesis. Test it. Instead of using the word thesis, if you remember, we used the word thesis when we wrote our opinion essay. We're not going to use the word thesis. We're going to use the word claim instead. So let me read that again. Find a big idea you feel strongly about. Write a clear claim. Test it. Does it fit more than one place in the book? Is there enough evidence? Okay, Mrs. DaCosta, what does that mean? So, a big idea or a claim, we're going to call it a claim as 4th graders, almost 5th graders, is when you were analyzing your characters, what is something that you thought about them? Well, I thought dog is a good friend, fox is jealous, and magpie is ungrateful, okay? So these are the 3 claims that you can choose from to write your literary essay about. So what that's going to mean is, if you choose to write your literary essay about dog being a good friend, you're going to have to prove, how is dog a good friend? Okay? If you choose to write your literary essay about how fox is jealous, you're going to have to prove with evidence from the story that fox is jealous. And if you choose to write your literary essay about magpie being ungrateful, you're going to have to prove with evidence from the story that magpie is ungrateful. Just like we proved yesterday, all of our character traits, we proved it by using proof or evidence from the text, okay? So here are your 3 big idea / claims that you can choose from, okay? So you can either do dog is a good friend, you can either do fox is jealous, or you can either do magpie is ungrateful. And I will fill in this information. This is what your assignment looks like today. This is what you're handing in. I'll do it as an example just so you can see, and then I'll erase it. So I'll put my name here, Mrs. DaCosta. I'll just leave it, Mrs. DaCosta. The claim I choose for my literary essay is, and then you are choosing one of these 3. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, oh man, I don't really think Fox is a jealous person. I don't think Fox is a jealous character. Should you be choosing that for your claim? No. It should be a claim that you feel strongly about, okay? I personally feel strongly about dog being a good friend, okay? I'm thinking back to the story and I'm saying, wow, I can think of a lot of ways that dog was a good friend. My literary essay is going to be strong. Okay, so the claim I choose for my literary essay is dog is a good friend. And done. Okay, that is all you need to do for today. And then we will get started writing next week. Okay, if you have any questions, please message me on Schoology or message me on Google Hangouts. I love you. I miss you. I will see you soon. Bye, guys.